What's going on, guys? I'm Mike Calls again, back for another juice review. And today we will be reviewing Trainwreck Ejuice. In front of me I have 4 of 7 flavors he was kind enough to send me. And yeah, all their juices are high VG, 70-30. He has 7 flavors, 2 new ones that came out. He has a Facebook and what is it? Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, let's get right into it. First one we will be reviewing is Monster Pie. Monster Pie, the ultimate lemon meringue treat with hints of tangerine and buttery graham cracker crust. Inhale a toasted meringue and exhale bright tangerine sweetness. Oh wait, what's that? You want more? So let's get right into it. I love it. On the inhale, you get the nice, like lemon meringue taste, and on the exhale, you get a nice light, not too light, but nice light graham cracker crust. It's so good. Just tastes like a lemon meringue pie. Really good. Next, we will be doing Tropic Thunder. Do you wish you were on a vacation savoring acai berry and smashing dragon fruit into a tropical island vape? This is a blend of exotic fruits complemented with a pairing of Bavarian cream will relax your mind and prepare you for a tropical storm. In case you can't tell, it's starting to rain. So, let's try and get this done quick. Here we go. I could taste the dragon fruit. I don't think I've ever had a acai berry. It's a nice, like, tastes like if you're going away on vacation to like the Bahamas or somewhere like that, and you get a nice like fruity drink with the big umbrella and shit. Well, tastes like it's nice, fruitful. I get on the inhale, I'm only assuming it's the acai berry because I've never had it, and then like towards the end and as you're exhaling, you get the dragon fruit. Amazing combination. The juice is simply amazing. 2 for 2 so far. It's amazing. Wow. Next, we will be doing Basque berries. Basque berry. Mixed berries that just like the chef prescribed for a bright sunny day, infused with cream and a distinct taste of strawberry, blueberry, or raspberry and blueberry. This juice is for the people who like high five. Get a nice blueberry raspberry smell. I love fruity vapes. Here we go. Wow. Sorry, guys. On the inhale, you get the mix of the strawberry and raspberry, and on the exhale, it's more like a mix of the blueberry and the cream. It's like you like a fruit salad with strawberry, blueberry, raspberry with a nice light fluffy cream on it. So good. It's a good like morning like vape, like if you know put like fruits on cornflakes or whatever, that's perfect. So good. Last but not least, for this part, we will be doing, what is it called? Lunatic. Lunatic. Lunatic this is a blend of fruity cereal goodness and milk which challenges sense of strong, bold flavors, stand alone and balance each other with a milky finish. Follow your bros because they're already doing it. Now, it definitely smells like a fruity cereal. Can't quite put my finger on it though. Here we go. Oh my god. You know what this tastes like to me? Trix. Chick cereal? Oh my god, they were one of my favorite cereals. Wow. Just Chick cereal. You know, you ever had those Fruity Pebbles cereal? Not Fruity Pebbles. Chick cereal, like back in the day, used to be like little tiny, almost like cornflakes shaped, like they're just flakes, like cornflakes. But now they're like Cocoa Pebble, like round, like corn puff mini balls now or whatever. But it's still amazing, amazing. Nice fruity inhale, and on the exhale, it's a nice like milky undertone. Nice light milky undertone, not like a heavy percentage milk, but it's really good. So guys, that's it on my calls again for another juice review. Stay tuned for part 2. If you would like to order some, contact Daniel. All his info is right there. If you can see it, all his info is right there. Great guy, amazing juice, great prices. Hit him up. And so yeah, so my calls again for another juice review. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And we'll see you in part 2. Peace.